Hello Year 2 and welcome to Tuesday's guided reading. Now you might have noticed my board looks a little bit different today. I've gone straight to what is normally the end page where I show you what your activities are going to be. And the activities look a bit different today. There are no worksheets. And that's right, there are no worksheets for this lesson and there isn't too much of an input because today we are going to concentrate on independent reading. Now normally when we do guided reading in school, we have 3 lessons each week. And each day we will have 3 of these groups doing a worksheet and the other 2 groups are either reading with the teacher or reading with the LSA. And that's really, really important that you are reading to an adult and that you are reading a book yourself rather than us reading to you. Now that's a bit difficult at home, so I hope you've been keeping up with reading books to adults at home because that is really important. But also reading to yourself is a really important skill that we start to practice more in Year 2. So today I would like every single group to practice independent reading using Bug Club. So even if you've logged on lots of times before, and well done if you have, I still want you to use the time you've got for guided reading today to read a book on Bug Club. Now if you've done lots of books on Bug Club and you've answered the questions as you go, you don't need to watch the rest of this video, it's just showing you how to do that. You can go straight onto Bug Club and read now. If you've read some of the books but you haven't answered the questions, you might want to have a look at this video because that is a really important part of Bug Club. If you haven't used it at all, I'm going to show you what to do. So the first thing you need to do is go on to either Rome or Vienna class page, and on both class pages, at the top or near the top, you will see this part, the school closure home learning. That's where you've clicked today to watch this video, or where you click to get the worksheets if you're watching it through YouTube directly. Bug Club is over here at the end, so I'm going to click on that link, and hopefully it will take me to the website. It's being a bit slow today. It's Friday, there we go, and there's the log on to Bug Club link. And then you click login. Now don't panic, it doesn't say Bug Club at this point, it just says active learn, that you are in the right place. And then it will take you to the login pages, but I have actually already logged in here. Now this is the teacher version, so it looks a little bit different. I can look at all the different books for all the different colour bands, but you will see the books just for your colour bands that I've chosen for you to read. And when you've read all those books, you do need to email in and I can assign you some more. And just to let you know, you might be able to see down the side here, for each colour band, there are different groups. So for yellow colour band, there's yellow A, yellow B, and yellow C. So when you've read all the books, you might not go up to the next colour band straight away because there might be more groups for your colour band. Today I'm going to read Sam Sees All, which I think is a blue band book. Now, you can choose read to me, but I want you to only use that when you get really stuck, please. It's really important that you have a go at reading the books yourself. If you're reading with a grown-up, there are some parts here that they can talk to you about. They can talk to you about the tricky words that you need to know and the sounds that you need to look at. We've got whoop as in whoosh and f as in fill in this one. Sam sees all. So you need to read this as you go. Miss Plum is sad. Things at the zoo keep going missing. I've lost my ring. Well, that must be Miss Plum. Oh yes, Plum is like a purple colour and she's wearing lots of purple. The big cats have lost their keeper. Some animals are missing too. Hang on a minute, some animals are missing too? I think I've seen one. Miss Plum needs Sam to help. Sam can help see lost things. I can see right into things. Sam sees all. Wow, look, he's looking with his eyes at the crocodiles and he looks like an X-ray. So we go to the next page. And you can read through that page, but what I want to show you is the questions. So, at the end of the book, can you see this yellow bug? When you click onto him, you get some questions or some activities to do. Click on the green button to hear a word. Drag the letters into the boxes to make the word that you hear.
Whoosh.
Whoosh. Okay, so I've got oo, w, and sh. Okay, so
What?
let me try dragging it on the laptop.
What?
That's better. And then w.
Ooh.
So I think I want oo there and sh there. And then you click done.
Well done! Let's go back to the book.
So can you make sure as you're reading that you look out, there we go, back to the book, for the bug's face. Can you see now he's a nice happy green bug because I've answered that question. So look out as you're reading for the bugs and make sure you answer the questions. And your teachers will be checking to see who's had a go at guided reading today and who's been answering the questions. Good luck, everybody.